I'm trying to find a bird. I came out earlier on and she was hurt. I went in. Oh, there she goes. Here. I found her. She's right there. She's hurt. See? She's frightened of me. But she's moving fast. Although she's hurt. Hello. Come. Hey. Hello. You hurt? There she goes. Hi. Don't be afraid. Hello. I want to get her to go in the other direction where I placed some food for her. I'm trying to get her to go back in the other direction. Hello. Hello there. Because I placed some food for her at the other end. So if she can head back that way, that would be awesome. She's moving fast. But I know she's hurt. I can tell. Hey. Hello. Oh no, I don't want her to go this way. I want her to go that way. Oh, I could probably hold her, but see, I placed the food up there. I'm not sure if she will. Hello. 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 Hi. Hmm? What are you trying to say? Yeah, she's going in the direction of the food now. Yes. That's the food there. But I'm not sure if she'll eat it. Let's sit there. Maybe she might not eat the food. She seems she's communicating with the other birds. Oh, she passed the food straight. Too bad. Let me see if I can get the food. Right here. Give it to her. Hello. Hello. Oh no, she went on the other side by the neighbors. Okay, I'll leave the food right here and hope that she'll come back to get it. Oh no, she's on the other side of the fence now. Oh. Yeah, she's by the neighbor. She's gone. Maybe she'll be back on this side. Okay, have a good day, everybody. Oh, look. She's trying to climb this. thingy over there. She's right here behind this. When she comes back later, I'm gonna try to hold her and probably try to get her some care, put her in a box or something until she's healed. I'll try this. Okay guys, have a great day until next time.